you this app that the Jamaican government has put together. So this app we were required to register for when we got here. It includes this dashboard that updates daily with the number of confirmed cases, deaths, number of recoveries. It also has this screen with recent news, stats by parish. Right now we're in Kingston St. Andrew Parish. So you see there are 39 active corona cases, 5 deaths, and 101 people recovered. You can also change the data by tapping on various parishes. So in Trelawney, you see that. Hanover, which is where Negril is. Portland, which is where Havana is from. Then you get the overall data. So by date, you can scroll back and forth. So this should bring us current. So that's today's information. Then you can see after that, we can get more analytics on the total number of cases broken down by gender, active recovery, deaths. 10 deaths, y'all. And I'm showing you this because that's a big reason. This is all a big reason why they've only had 10 deaths. Then you get, again, the information by parish. And this is my favorite part, where they show how Jamaica is faring in terms of their regional peers. So you can see Jamaica is that fine blue line down there on the bottom with the very, very flat line. You can also see here where Jamaica is faring compared to other industrial countries like China, Italy, Singapore, United Kingdom, and United States. So this orange line is the United States. Again, Jamaica is that fine blue line all the way on the bottom. More analytics. Daily cases confirmed by age group, recovered by age group, deaths by age group, and then doubling analytics. The other information it gives you is on links to immigration. But my favorite part of all of this is every day I am required to check in. So I have to check in, and I actually have to let them know if I'm experiencing any symptoms. So I'm going to say no. I have to put my temperature reading in, which I just took, which was 97 degrees Fahrenheit. So I put that in. Then I actually have to submit a video. Hi, my name is Takima. And I have to use a code that they would have text me when it was time to check in. And then I press submit. And I also am tracked by my location. So we are quarantined for 14 days. And they track us through the phone, our location. So we can update them here if we are changing locations. So anyway, I wanted to share all of this because this is so profound to me that quote unquote a third world country can put this together, not only to be able to open its borders to tourists, but also to be able to keep their own people safe. And again, this is exactly why Jamaica has only had 10 deaths, but it also speaks to what you do and what you put in place when you actually care about your people. You'll see this SOS button also gets you medical assistance, etc. through the app. I mean, it's an amazing tool and something, sadly, we don't have in place in the US.